Let's take one example. So I'll create a string. This is Python programming. And I want to check whether Python is present in this statement or not. So what I can do, let's print Python in this statement or not. It will return true or false. So you can see here it is true. Now let's use condition. If Python in statement will print yes, Python is present, else will print Python is not present. So we will check if this particular string is in this sequence or string or not. We can use this in a list, tuple or dictionary. So let's test it. Yes, Python is present. And let's change it to Java. And you can see Java is not present. So it's not true. But there is one more membership operator, in, and there is one more not in. You can see here not in. So if Java not in statement, yes, Java is not present. Java is, I'll just change it. So let's run it. So Java, yes, Java is not present. So the way we speak, we can write the code here. You can see Java not in statement. So we'll do something. If it is not, if it is there, then it'll. So let's change it. Instead of this one, I'll just use here email and write here my email ID. Now I want to check whether this @ is present or not. So if @ is there in this email ID, then a valid email ID. Of course, there are some other rules, but we'll check only @. So if @ in email, valid email ID, otherwise invalid. So you can see valid email ID. Now let's remove it, and you can see here invalid email ID. So membership operator, very useful.